So here we're at a historic house in Virginia Beach called the Lynnhaven House. It sits right off of Lynnhaven. It's close to Lynnhaven? I don't know.
Lynnhaven neighborhood?
But this is one of the places that's right here in Virginia Beach that I have never been to, and I think I've lived here for 10 years. And so another place that geocaching...
I'm sorry, you've actually lived here 17 years.
Oh, sorry. Anyway, one of those places that geocaching brings you. There's a geocache here, and so we thought we'd show you a little bit. Its house was around the time of 1725, sorry, that would be
18th century.
18th century. I'm making a bunch of mistakes here.
It's okay. Supposedly got some architectural excitement in it for the time. We just can't get in to see any of it. And we have some gravestones back here. Some graves. Look at that. Memory of Mary Bosch, who was born on the ...
William Bosch, 1759, this is 1834. Huh.
Yeah, it looks like a bunch of rooms upstairs with windows. Okay, so leaving that Lynnhaven house, which was somewhere over there on the other side of that water. We're on the other side of the water down the street. Down there. Anyway, we stopped for this one and then looked at it when we got out of the car, and it's a 4.5 difficulty. So that kind of makes you wonder. But you're looking back at the logs and it's like everybody's finding it. So and it's an ammo can that supposedly is rusted and severely leaking and full of water, and the log is decimated, one guy says. So well, whatever, we'll see. Hopefully we'll find it. Probably under that mess right there. There's a bunch of stuff right in front of you. It looks like a mess. Well. Ammo can located.
Not terrible, but look at this log.
Yeah, they were right. The log is pretty decimated.
Yeah. Oh, right on it. Oh, we found it.
Okay, our next stop is to head towards, we're near some school ball fields, and supposedly way out there 500 feet somewhere is an ammo can waiting to be found. This is one of those ones that gets looked for about every year. Last time it was found was in early 2017, so that's 2 years. However, one person attempted it in early 2018, but they DNF'd it. But then again, you look at their profile, they have 22 finds to their name, so most people find this one. Alright, now we get into the creepy tall stalks of weirdness. have arrived at the back side of the lake. Now we're looking for a small ammo can, which is telling me it's about 9 foot there. Is it right there in that stump beside you? This is the small ammo can versus a big one. Hopefully that's not one of those little micro ammo cans. Alright, my wife yells, "Hey, I found it over here." I was heading back towards the lake. Another ammo can that's rusted shut. What are you doing? Let's bring it out here and see if we can manhandle this into. Wow, it's really rusted.
Huh. This one actually has been out here a really long time. Okay.
We've tried every way, lodging between trees, jumping on it, using a knife, and
Look at it, it's like falling apart.
this is probably the same
This is like,
can that's been here since 2007.
yeah, so we have to
It's cracking, there's holes in it here.
contact the
Tried to
CO.
pull the handle and the handle just broke right off.
Maybe, yeah, we'll check it out and see what the deal is.